In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Gradio app on Hugging Face AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to huggingface.co and you want to either sign into your account if you have one already, or you can just create a new one in case you are new to this platform. So once you've done this and signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click on Spaces up top over here. And inside Spaces, you want to click on the new space up top yet again. And then in here, you'll have to basically create a new space. Now here, you're going to see the owner. You can just select one. It's going to be yourself likely. And then you can give it a space name. So for this one, I'm just going to do tutorial because it doesn't really matter. But for you, of course, put it whatever you want it to be and whatever you're actually trying to do with it. Now, short description, I'm just going to type in just a tutorial over here, just for this instance. And then if you have a license for that, you can of course put it in here. So click on that, you're going to see this drop down menu. You can select one, or you can basically just leave it blank. It's going to work either way. This is completely up to you. Now here under select the space SDK, you will have to basically select Gradio, okay, because of course we're doing this to deploy a Gradio app. And then here you'll have to choose a Gradio template. Now you can have it either blank, you can have it as a chatbot, a text to image, or a leaderboard, okay? So we're gonna do blank for this instance, but of course you're free to use whatever you want. Here it then says space hardware. You can of course use the free one, or in case you want any of these paid ones, you will have to select it, but of course those are paid. So if you wanna go with the free one, select the free one, which is by default, and that's that. Now here, as you can see, you can also enable space dev mode in case you want to, but for this you will have to be a pro user. So if you're not a pro user, of course you can just disregard this part over here. Then the last bit is to actually select in case you want it to be public or private. So I'm going to do private for this one, and then you want to click on create space. After this, it's going to start loading, and then there we go. Basically, your Gradio space has been loaded, and then you can start by using it however you wanted to use it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.